Okay. Let us start. What is the meaning of K-Zero reaction? So let us have a sentence. Alpha hydrogen. You can go for this sentence. Alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen. Or we can say, we can redesign this. It is shown by only aldehyde. It is shown by only aldehyde. Means ketone do not show this reaction. Okay, means ketone do not show this reaction. Next point is only those aldehyde which are without alpha hydrogen. It is just opposite to aldol. Aldehyde without alpha hydrogen undergo K-Zero reaction. Okay, aldehyde without alpha hydrogen undergo K-Zero reaction. Next point, base catalyze. Base NaOH or KOH, no problem. Catalyzed reaction. Catalyzed reaction. Two products form. Products form. Konte products? What are the products? Products are alcohol. Products are alcohol and carboxylic acid salt. Alcohol and carboxylic acid salt. Alcohol and carboxylic acid salt. Right? Yes. So this is what the few features, important features of K-Zero reaction. Let us go for example. So first of all, we will go for the first example which do not have the alpha hydrogen. That is the first member of aldehyde. That is what? The formaldehyde. So formaldehyde easily undergo K-Zero reaction. And like aldol, here also we can use two molecules. When this is reacted with NaOH, so two products will form. So can you imagine? All of you, can you imagine? There is only one carbon. So what is the name of one carbon alcohol? Products will be alcohol and carboxylic acids. So two molecules involving means of formaldehyde. So there are in two molecules there are only two carbon, one carbon in one molecule. So one carbon alcohol is called as, yes, one carbon alcohol is called as methyl alcohol. So directly we can go methyl alcohol plus, what is the one carbon name? Carboxylic acid, formic acid, and its salt means it should be sodium formate. Right? Yes. Alpha hydrogen is not there. We don't want alpha hydrogen. This is the important condition. Right? Okay. So one more example we will take. Now see here. For example, let us take benzaldehyde. And after this, we will go for its mechanism. If you take benzaldehyde and same condition, that is what? That is what this is. And heat it, KOH or no problem. KOH, so heat it. KOH is best. So what I can write? Alcohol, so benzyl alcohol. Very simple. We can write benzyl alcohol and benzoic acid salt. This is what? Benzoic acid salt. These are two very best example for K-Zero reaction. So this is what the simple criteria, simple features and examples. If you go for mechanism of this K-Zero, so it will be easy for us to understand the idea. So now we'll go directly for its mechanism. What is the mechanism? See, mechanism of KNH0. Mechanism of KNH0. Now, in aldol, we are using NaOH or KOH, both, any one of these, no base catalyze. Here also we are using base, but there is a great difference between the aldol and KNH0. In aldol, the NaOH, OH minus ion, it abstract the proton, means it act as a base. But here in KNH0, KOH or NaOH act as a nucleophile, means it's attack on the positive center. Now see, so we can say, now see here, let us go for the first mechanism. This is what formaldehyde. Formaldehyde, when we have, so see, there is no alpha hydrogen, so there is no question of alpha proton, alpha hydrogen abstraction. So base will attack at this carbon. And we can write, see here, this bond opens up and we can have this OH minus, sorry, OH, and here this H, right? Yes, like this. Now we have this intermediate. That's all, very simplest mechanism. This is the first intermediate, that's it, that's finished. Now, this is oxide ion. This is what oxide ion. What it will do now? In the second stage, just like at the first stage, second molecule we have to write. See, here I have written first molecule. Here I have written second molecule. Now, in first molecule, OH minus attack. In second molecule, what will happen? See here, this will react with this second molecule. Very important. So all of you see here, all of you should be very, very much what you have to focus your attention. So now this what will happen? We have to show this reaction. Very important. Now see, this O minus, if try to restore back, so that becoming the 5 bonds of carbon, that is impossible. So when this oxygen minus will restore the bond, is trying to become a carbonyl. So out of these 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen will migrate its bond with the another carbonyl carbon of another molecule, and this will become like this. So I can write, see here, we can say H minus transfer, hydride transfer. It is called as hydride transfer. H minus is called as hydride. We can say hydride transfer. So hydride transfer takes place in KNH0 reaction. Then this will form, and we can have like this. Okay. From formaldehyde, we can have like this. So can we write CH3O minus? Yes, no problem. CH3O minus. So we can write this CH3O minus methoxide ion. And what we can write this side? This side we can write H. This becomes C double bond O. And this is like this, formic acid. Now in the reaction mixture, this is the reaction mixture. Suppose this is a round bottom flask. We have this one. Now what will happen? Suppose this is the association with Na plus. Now what will happen? This methoxide ion is a strong base. This will further react with this, and this will abstract this proton. We know strong base always abstract proton. So finally, we can write this methyl alcohol, and this is what sodium formate, what we have written as a statement in the KNH0 reaction. So these are the product of what? KNH0. This is the alcohol, and this is what? Carboxylate salt. Carboxylic salt of the KNH0 reaction. So this is what about the KNH0 reaction. We can have this. Fine. Okay, right? If you have